Hi guys, this is Marco. I'm Italian. I have been here for almost 2 years and now I'm gonna show you how to cook perfect Bolognese sauce. I decided to do these videos because please stop killing my granny. So now we are going to one supermarket here in Dublin, one simple TESCO. You will able to find everything to do a perfect Bolognese we call ragu. Let's go. The first thing we need red onion first, 59 cents. The second thing we need is celery. And now the last thing we're gonna take is carrots. This is one secret of my grandmother. Milk, just a little bit, we don't need too much. So now the most important part is the beef. So let's take 2 of these and you will see the magic later. Because the percentage of fat inside is not enough, we're gonna add a little bit of bacon, pancetta, whatever. Bacon is good, so just get this. It's €1. We have the butter, no margarine, butter please. So just take one, it's not important, just to have some flavor, so this is fine. So we need oil. The best is extra virgin oil. So we're gonna take this. I prefer Tuscany, from Tuscany, than Sicily. Now what we need in Tesco is the passata of pomodoro, so tomato sauce. So there are many, I know. If you are Irish, usually you go there or whatever, but stay here. This is the best. You pay a little bit more, but it's really good. For 2 of beef is 2 tomato cans. For 3 is 3. For 4 is 4. If you want to be sure, just take one more. For me, the best here you can find in Tesco is Mutti, Cirio, and also this one is good. I want 3 of these. The last thing we need is wine, red wine. I'm gonna use Chianti because I know. Please, the cork has to be like this, not with the screw. Now we have everything. We go home and start to cook. Let's go. So guys, here we are. Now we're gonna make the perfect ragu. We start to cut first carrots. Celery. And now it's time to cry. Oil inside. So guys, like you can see here inside, there is not mushroom, there is not garlic. So if you will try to put that inside, I'm gonna call my cousins from Mafia. Let's spend this night together. Let this fire burn inside our hearts. And we put all. So now we're gonna put. Now that the rain is slowly pitter pat. You see the color of the beef is red. We take butter, we put inside. Stay like this forever. These wine-colored days, summer is gone. Put some more. Put inside milk. 1 glass. Yeah, like that. Inside first. Okay, now just let here look this secret cover for a while and we'll see later for the tomato sauce.
Five minutes later.
put also the third one. The secret is sugar.
These wine-colored days, summer is gone.
Now, this is the secret of the ragu. This is the time. So we close. We put this here, and here is on the top. We put on 3, maybe 4. And we forget about that. I clean a little bit now, and we will see in 5 hours, I think. So look now.
1 hour later.
So now this is what we have. Okay, so can you see the color of the water, the liquid oil, or whatever? It starts to be more orange.
1 hour later.
Guys, after another hour. Yep. Try. And we start to put a little bit of salt after. So just take a piece of beef at the moment. This.
Mamma mia, Marcello, that's not how you hold the pistol. What do you mean? This is how you hold the pistol.
Take salt. Put in the. There is not a rule.
1 hour later.
Now we let here for 1 hour more, and after it's ready. When the waters go down, and it's like cream, it's not like beef and water, it's ready. Let's do. At this point, the ragu is almost ready. We need to remove a little bit of water more. As you can see, the color is really red now. The last thing I forgot. So when it's ready, what we're gonna do is put this inside this one. When we use, we just have to take off from the freezer, and you can use for years. So, see you. Ciao guys.